Hi guys, Google is tracking you by default. You must change these three settings as described in this video. Is Google's data collection helpful or harmful? If you feel this level of tracking is too invasive, in this video, how to check what you are sharing and adjust the privacy settings on your account. The first one is click on three vertical dot against top right corner of your Google Chrome page and choose settings. Here from the left side of settings, go to privacy and security. Wipe your web and app activity. Here scroll down and you will find privacy guide. Review key privacy and security controls. Here a guide to your privacy choice. Choose next. Choose next until web and app activity you will see. Choose next. Again choose next and go to on the next page you will see look for web and app activity. Click on it. Here scroll down and at the bottom of the page you will find web and app activity. So simply turn off this feature. Choose whether to save your activity or some Google sites and apps including associated info like location to get better recommendation and more helpful. So turn off this feature. If you don't want to turn off, then simply deleting activity. Choose an app auto delete activity older than 3 option available here: 3 months, 18 months and 36 months. Choose minimum 3 months. And after 3 months all your web and app activity will be automatically deleted. And click on next. If you want to stop don't auto delete activity, then choose don't auto delete activity. And if you want to completely turn off web and app activity, then simply turn off. Simply turn off web and app activity. It will disable the feature but also wipe all previously saved information from Google server. Finally, click on got it. The second one is lock down location tracking and manage your timeline through Google Maps. Same process. Click on three vertical dot against top right corner and choose settings. Go to privacy and security from the left side and here click on privacy guide. Go to site settings and here you will find location and choose don't allow sites to see your location to completely lock down your location tracking. You can also completely stop your location tracking through Google Map. Assessing your location data may be a bit trickier these days. All locations data is maintained in a repository that Google calls timeline. It's a map of all the places you have visited, routes you have taken and trips you have been on. So launch Google Map and here click on three horizontal line against top left corner and here choose your timeline. Here your timeline here and choose timeline is no longer available on web browser. To view or change your timeline settings, choose activity controls. Click on it. Here you will find your timeline. Choose turn off and you may auto delete your location or your activity below 3 months. So auto delete activity older than 3 months, 18 months and 36 months also you can find here. So choose minimum 3 months and choose next. If you want to completely stop your tracking or location data off, then simply turn off timeline. So Google will now stop tracking through your location or your visiting place. Timeline is off. The choice applies across devices. You are in control. Choose got it. The third one is vanish personalized ads. Simply click on three horizontal line against top left corner and choose privacy guide, and again a guide to your privacy choices. Click on next and proceed data and privacy personalized ads section. Click on next. Here wave and app activity, click on it. Here you will find personalized ads, and you can see personalized ads. To disable Google's personalized ads, click on My Ad Center. Then open the personalized ads drop down menu in the top right corner and choose turn off. This deleted all your ad center preferences and prevented Google activity from being used to personalize the ads you see. Simply click on got it. Personalized ads are off, and now you have successfully disabled these three Google tracking apps.